Looky, looky, looky. It's another box I see that has a box fan. Probably in the box. Some of you know what it is, others don't. And for those who don't know, we're going to find out together right now. Let's do this. Yep, it is. It's another Galaxy 3713 with the box. And the reason why this one was in particular to me was because if you notice, that's right, like the Lasco 4713 has the blade hub that I remember from that 87 3713 that we bought, which is long gone. But this one, as the box topples over, like the other one has the wavy logo. I mean, that one that I've been wanting to find had the block logo. This one has a wavy logo. And you probably remember that other 3713 that I showed off way back in 2010 also has a wavy logo, but it has the older blade hub. So, see if you can get that for me. I don't know. But yeah. If you notice, this was about the time when they were starting to do away with the badge on the grill because it has Galaxy on it. And dear God, it has the handle. Yeah, my thoughts exactly. Round the corner, back, plastic motor, and probably somebody wasn't paying attention because they slapped the grill without the badge on it. But I think what could have been also, they were probably still making the grills with the badges for the 3746s. Like I said, not really sure, but all that. You need to stop saying that. Let's take a look at the bottom. Yep, 8788. And I think 8112-18. I think that might have been for, like, I don't know, maybe for Sears, because Lasco was making box fans for Sears. So yeah. Be gentle with the handle, because and the box, American made. And this is from Lasco Metal Products, a 300 Confederate Drive, Franklin, Tennessee 37064. And before anybody says anything, that's where, I mean, even though Lasco was in Westchester, Pennsylvania, they had plants all over the country. And pretty much the Franklin, Tennessee plant was for the box fans and maybe the 9-inch fans. I think it's still there. I don't know. But it was also sold to the Myers Kellogg showroom of Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, which, oddly enough, this is where this fan came from. So, yeah. So what we're going to do, we're going to plug it up and give it a go. So without further delay, here's high. back to high. Just no time now. Since I got the kilowatt meter out, we'll check amperage and wattage. So here's high. Amps on high. Medium. Low. There was a startup sound, so start off on high. Startup sound on medium if applicable. And finally, a startup sound on low. So yeah, I guess that's that. The unboxing and show and tell of yet another Galaxy 3713. I'm getting close to that one, but I take any victories that I can get. But yeah. Though I may actually compare that with all my other 3713s and the 4713, and it's just going to be, it's all the same. And it's just a shame, that's all. So I guess until next time, whatever that is, Eskie, thanks for watching. And the comment box is open.